Does the change to match types affect alpha beta funnel? Meaning, if the exact keyword is excluded in phrase campaign, does that guarantee the exact match and its close match terms will get triggered in the exact match alpha campaign? Thank you. Yeah, sure. Um, okay, Matt, we stopped running the alpha beta type of campaigns about 3 years ago. They don't work anymore. You don't need to go to that extent because once exact match weren't exact match, then everything was thrown out of the window as far as alpha beta was concerned, and also SKAGs and some other campaign types. Right now, the way I would recommend you do is the algorithm needs data. Put in the phrase and the exact match in the same ad group. Or if you want to keep it in separate ad groups, that's fine. But we used to do that, but now we are testing putting them all in one ad group and let the algorithm go wild and free. To say we want to, give it the full force of the machine learning and the power of Google to get us the results we are looking for. So I wouldn't bother about alpha beta anymore.